To buy Bitcoin Silver AI token. So this token came under the symbol of BSAI. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. And as you can see, this token address is under the Binance Smart Chain. Now, go on your Bitget wallet. Go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. So click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called BSAI. As you can see, click on it. Now here, click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now hit like how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, no corresponding liquidity pool, so it's not be able to buy this token on your wallet. Now you can try the WEEX here. Now make sure that you have an account on your WEEX. Now as you can see, click on this link and you will be able to redirect it directly to that trading page on WEEX. So as you can see, you can buy it from here. Just select the limit, as you can see. So you need to log in first to your account to be able to buy this token. So as you can see, this is how to buy a BSAI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.